wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is MyLifeAsLoveline. You all are heartily welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making Ogbono soup today in the kitchen. It's very easy, guys. Let me rapidly introduce the ingredients to you. We have palm oil here, or red oil as we commonly call it back in Cameroon. We have some pomo or cow skin, dry fish, meat, cow meat. You can actually use dry cow meat. It's really very tasty when you use that. Desiccated fish, some desiccated chicken, dry bitter leaf, soaked and washed, salt to taste, ground crayfish, little bit of ginger powder, ogbono, dry ogbono, and a little bit of fresh ogbono. This I had to store in the freezer. To achieve the fresh ogbono, you just have to wash your ogbono and blend in your blender with a little bit of water. So I have white pepper, black pepper, minced garlic, some chopped onion, and Maggi to taste. So let me show you all the ingredients. So guys, the first thing is to put some water in the pot and boil your meat. Add your minced garlic, onion, your chicken, your ginger powder, some salt, and a cube of Maggi. Cover this up and let it boil. Guys, make sure to work on the quantity of water used because you don't want your ogbono to be watery at the end, since we are not adding egusi or any other thing like okra. The quantity of water used should be directly proportional to the quantity of ogbono and or the thickness you desire. We're going to leave this to boil until our meat is tender. Note that my cow skin has been well washed and boiled, so that's why I didn't include it in the initial boiling process. So guys, we're going to check on the meat and our chicken. So once you realize that your meat is tender, you add your cow skin, add your vegetable, that's bitter leaf, add your black pepper, add your white pepper, your smoked fish or desiccated fish, water, add just a little bit of oil at this stage. Cover this up and let this boil for approximately 10 minutes. Okay guys, we've got to check again. The next thing is to add our ogbono. So I'm going to be adding the frozen ogbono and the dry ogbono. Next thing we're going to add is the crayfish, the ground crayfish. More salt to taste. Maggi. Make sure you always check on the taste of your salt and Maggi before you add further. The next thing is to add more oil. Add a little bit of water, knowing that you're not supposed to make it too watery. Stir and allow to boil for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. But before you do that, taste to make sure that everything is balanced. Oh my god, it tastes so yummy already. As I said earlier, cover this up and let this boil for approximately 10 minutes. See you again later. So guys, let's check to see if everything is okay. So our ogbono soup is ready. Serve and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching guys. I appreciate your time with me in the kitchen. Love and light your way. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.